All right, we had a little stormy storm come through, just the second half of it, and it was a windy one. Blew stuff all over, branches were falling. That one's all leaning. Everything is soaked. Let's see, this was knocked over. Looks fine, looks fine. Debris. Chairs all fell over. But the avocado got beat up. Pushing pots. This looks okay. It got tossed over there. This had fallen, and this came from somewhere else, but this had knocked over the rain barrel before it could get any water, but that's not too bad. Something hit. Dang, something really hit pineapple here. I think it was this. Got picked up, tossed around. Just glad you go in the windows. Okay. Look at that contrast. Dang, look at this. This got tossed around. Barely hitting the Jeep. But I watched on the camera. It didn't just blast open, it was just kind of slowly shoved it open. And it's all over the place. Those didn't break at the top. That's cool. The little shack is still up. Look, still flowers on the petunias.